In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search for job opportunities using Indeed, a widely popular job search website. Now, if you're on the lookout for a new job or even just scouting your options, Indeed is a great place to start due to its extensive listings that cover a broad spectrum of industries and positions. Let's walk through the process step by step to make sure you get the most out of your search. Our journey begins at the homepage of Indeed. You can access this by simply typing Indeed into your browser search bar and hitting enter. Once the site loads, you'll immediately notice the search interface prominently displayed. It's kind of like your cockpit for exploring potential job opportunities. Here you'll find two main fields to fill in. The first is where you input the job title, relevant keywords, or a specific company you're interested in. This helps refine your search to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. For instance, if you're seeking a project management role, you might type in project manager or even PMI certified. Simultaneously, in the second field, you'll need to input your current location. This is especially crucial if you're searching for opportunities close to home or within a specific geographic range. It's really about zeroing in on opportunities that make logistical sense for you. Now let's delve into how you can make your search as effective as possible. It might seem trivial, but narrowing down your criteria is where the magic happens. Consider utilizing specific job titles and including industry-relevant keywords that are likely to match job description lingo. This step cannot be overstated as it fine-tunes your search results, ultimately saving you time and energy. After entering your job title and location, press the Find Jobs button. Voila, a list of available positions fitting your criteria will appear. This is where you see the power of Indeed at work, providing a wide array of options right at your fingertips. As you scroll through the listings, take your time to read the job descriptions thoroughly and understand what each role entails. Don't rush this part. You may also encounter different companies, work arrangements, and expectations, so it's critical to evaluate which opportunities align best with your career goals and personal circumstances. Once you pinpoint a job that piques your interest, click on Apply Now. This will typically redirect you to the company's application portal or an application form on Indeed. Ensure you have your resume updated and ready to submit, as this is your chance to make a great impression. And just like that, you're all set. You've completed the process of searching and applying for jobs on Indeed. Remember, job searching is a journey, so don't be discouraged if the perfect job doesn't pop up immediately. Keep refining your searches, adapt your applications, and explore various roles that might fit you. Good luck and happy job hunting.